Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 18 for sum. Okay, so given an array nums of n integers, return an array of all unique quadruplets. So nums a, nums b, nums c, nums d such that a, b, c, d, all of them are greater than 0 to n, and all of them are distinct, and values at a, b, c, d, they add up to the target. You may return the answer in any order. So for example, if this is the nums array and the target is supposed to be 0, then we have to return all the values that add up to 0. Okay, and what if we have the overlapping values? So here first 4 2's and the last 4 2's, they both add up to 8. Then we just have to return one time quadruplets of 2. So that's there. So if that's the case, then the immediate thought is using sets as the final answer, as a data type, I'm saying. And what are the constraints? So nums.length goes from 1 to 200, and each number could go from minus 10 raised to 9 to plus 10 raised to 9, and target would go from minus 10 raised to 9 to plus 10 raised to 9 as well. Okay, so in our previous videos we did threesome and threesome closest, right, the problems. So we would do the exact same and build on top of those. So the idea is we just have to find nums b, nums c, and nums d, and the temporary target would be the target minus nums a, right? A simple for loop to call in for the, like a wrapper for around three sum problem, right? So let's actually get into the coding. So nums.sort, because we want the lesser numbers to be in front and the heavier numbers would be on the back, and then we would have some threesome sub problem return. Okay, we can just do result equals set and returns result, and then this would be the wrapper around the threesome problem. So we would have the final, and for I in range 0 to len of nums minus 1. Actually we can just do it last, that's fine anyway. And we want the helper or temp output of the threesome problem, where we have the index that is taken care of, and the target minus nums.I as a temporary target, right? So this one will take in index and the temp target. Fair. And if we have the temp output, again this is going to return the set, and our final is also set. So to add in set and set, there is this or operation that you could perform. So that's the syntax of it, and at the end return final, right? Okay, so now our threesome sub problem takes in an index and a temporary target. Yeah, let's actually go about building it then. So for I in range, we have index plus 1, because the first index is already taken, and we have to so say this is already taken, then we have to find b, c, and d from here, right? So this goes from lens of nums minus 1, j plus equals, sorry, j is initialized to I plus 1, k is initialized to length of nums minus 1, while j is less than k. So pretty boilerplate. So temp sum would be nums of I, nums of j, and nums of k, right? So if temp sum is less than temp target, j plus equals 1, elif temp sum greater than temp target, k plus k minus equals 1, else we would want to add the result, and j plus equals 1, k minus equals 1, right? So how do you want to add it? So now the temporary target, so the temporary target is, so target minus nums dot I, nums of I, so that's why nums of I would be temporary target, target minus temporary target, right? So basically if you have so this 2 is 8 minus 2 is 6, the temporary target is 6, so we just have to find this, and while returning we need all ABCDs, right? So we just want to have 8 minus 6 to be 2, so that's how you'll kind of make this here. And then target minus temporary target, nums of nums of j, nums of k. Fair? Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Okay, and submit. Perfect. Thank you so very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.